a cultural icon and halo of the Aston Martin brand. This exceptional DB5 we're now delighted to offer is one of just 65 factory original DB5 Vantage Coupes built, available for only 12 months before production ceased. Remarkably, only 65 examples of the DB5 Vantage in coupe form were built and delivered before production of the DB5 ceased in September 65. Producing over 10% more power and with increased torque, both top speed and quarter-mile performance were improved over and above the standard engine examples. An original 5-speed transmission example now beautifully finished in the iconic DB5 colour combination of Silver Birch with black hides. This superb car has covered just 1,000 miles since the total body-off restoration. Masterminded and completed by highly regarded professional Aston Martin restorers between 2013 and 16, with no aspect being left untouched during the restoration process. Included within the restoration, the Vantage engine now to 4.2 litre capacity, the 5-speed transmission, rear axle, brakes, suspension, electrical equipment and wiring loom, chrome work and road wheels have all either been rebuilt, restored or replaced to a superb standard. Additionally, the fitment of refrigerated air conditioning, power-assisted steering, upgraded suspension and FM converted period radio was completed during the restoration, all to improve the driving dynamics and usability of this exquisite DB5 Vantage, especially when dealing with today's driving conditions. Built and delivered in 65, finished in black pearl with black hides, this restored and rare example of the DB5 Vantage is accompanied with a comprehensive restoration and history file containing a copy of the original factory build sheet and service record, MOT certificates from 1976 onward, invoices for parts and services prior to restoration, invoices for the total restoration completed, and a British Motor Heritage Industry Trust certificate. An owner's handbook, factory supplied 2-roll jack and copper-faced hammer are also included. Supplied fully prepared to our usual high standards and with 12 months warranty and MOT certificate. This exceptional DB5 is available for viewing and demonstration now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.